ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kemasan post MA bat ke bapau baha ke kod admission na kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang jingtip bakam benya kol ha kini ke number harum. Overseas nursing job fair kebelalong host nam arajar pulai kebelalong kebejob hadim bar Pynïoh ke Samla kenthe ke pulai nursing na kene jela Meghalaya kila syajib bezdang no ya kalintia ke bathamai na kebenta benlitre syakri Japan hadim kila pendap ya ke jing syahikai Menteri rang bah ke jelau kontrak ke sangma ulalit banyak kenduk kerpang ki arngut ke Samla kenthe ke beladan syari Japan pensyakri kumkinas haga kubi kaise hospital kubi Japan Kini ki arngut kidei bela tip kerteng kum ke Samla la I kermen kadau sau ba ke Samla jenis shaling do. Kidan hadu ar Pynïoh ke Samla kenthe bela pendong kerteng hapo ke NAVIS na ke benta ke language training ba cultural immersion ha Bengaluru. Na kini ki ar pusat ke lapas ke N4 ba ke N5 examination tangah kesir ke beningkong ba ke layok pedang ru ya ke jeng terwarung kam. Sanut kinas ke layok pedang ya ke visa ba arngut ke lalai cari Japan ha ar Pynïoh terik ujemang arajar pusau. Sekiwi par kidang ap ya ke visa. Hadu kasangut kinas kelasya thungkam haki hospital repair jangguri Singapore ling bagi agensi repair bat kinsiyo benrungkam hapo alai benai ka Sorkar kelasoya ke dulir jinga sungut hu jingmon bagi South Ligi kenhun haka nyotrik unopra arajar pulai ban ai jingi kai na ke bentang ke tien ke thlit bat ban pentre kam mi Samla ke jela Meghalaya hagari Japan United Kingdom Singapore bat United Arab Emirates
Last year, in the month of May, there was a job fair that we had conducted in Shillong, where our objective was to tie up with different stakeholders and different HR companies to place our nurses in different parts of the world, including in Japan, Singapore, Australia, likewise in different parts of the world. And when this job fair took place, more than 1,300 nurses had attended this job fair, and the government had committed to funding the particular training that was required for these nurses to work in different parts of the world. Today, I'm happy to inform all of you that after 1 year, the efforts that we had started have started to bear fruits, and today we have 27 of our nurses who have got placements in Japan, and 18 of them have got placements in Singapore. And the training program is going on very well, and we expect that in the coming months and the coming years, in fact, many more of our skilled manpower will be given the opportunity to work in different parts of the world. I'm here today in Japan, in Tokyo, and I will be visiting our nurses, the first batch of 2 of the nurses out of the 27 have already received their visas and other documentation, and they have already joined their place of work, and we'll be visiting them in the next couple of days to see how they are doing, how the experience has been, and also to give them the assurance and to their families that the government of Meghalaya is very much with them to support them in every way possible. Government of India is there to support them, and also to give a sense of confidence to other nurses who wish to work in other parts of the world and get these job employment opportunities, that the way the government of Meghalaya is working, the process is very, very professional, and the placement is also done in a very professional manner. And we would encourage all the other nurses also, those who wish to work in different parts of the world, that it is a good opportunity, it's a safe opportunity, and Government of Meghalaya, along with Government of India, is there to support you in your endeavor to find placements in different parts of the world. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, my name is Jenny Sharingdo. I am from Meghalaya, Nongpo Ribhoi district. I have came to know about Navis from with the help of government, the job fair which was held on 2023 August. From there I get to know about Navis. Then I came to Bangalore. I studied Japanese language in Navis Human Resource Private Limited in Bangalore. Of course, at first it was very difficult to study a new language, but with the help of the tutors, day by day we were able to learn and understand and write in Japanese. I would like to thank first God for keeping me safe all this time, my parents, my relatives, and our chief ministers, Conrad K. Samla, and our government and the Meghalaya State Skill Development Society for giving us this opportunity where we can work abroad, where we not only just enhancing our skill, but we are exchanging cultures. Thank you so much for this opportunity, because this kind of opportunity I could only dream of, but today is coming true. So I would like to many of our friends who are there in Meghalaya who are still afraid to come outside to explore their dreams, achieve their dreams. Please do take this opportunity, because the government is there to support you, and please do come, enhance your skills, enjoy, and let us exchange culture between countries. I would like to thank our Chief Minister Conrad K. Samla for giving us this opportunity where we can walk abroad. Thank you so much, sir. Coming abroad was just only a dream for many of us, but through your help and support, we are able to come here to gain new experience. Through this experience that I received here in Japan, I would like to go and share it to our states and country. Thank you so much, sir, once again for your support, and being the representative of our state, will try to give our best and will never let you down. Thank you.
Jadi fibara kerteng jangan ada yai kerman kadosau, ada nakasnong kli umtro Ribhoi district Meghalaya. Kajingat lenti jangan nadu nasionong hadu banganda poi ke Japan kalong kalenti ke bakalan. Oi wala sibun kijing henry ublay uladan rekat banga ki bahaya ngasam ki ladan rekat banga ki parlok parajar ki baju ai mesim barabar ki baju long ki hakti kamon ki kadiam ki la penyaj be kalenti ba kalong kalenti ka ba sutenat hadu banganda poi ko.